Hey there! Welcome to our channel. If you're a Photoshop enthusiast or a professional looking to take your digital artwork to the next level, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 best tablets for Photoshop on the market. Whether you're editing, drawing, or designing, these tablets offer incredible precision, speed, and performance to boost your creativity. Stick around as we dive into the features and benefits of each, helping you find the perfect tool for your workflow. So, if you're ready to level up your art game, keep watching. And don't forget, check the link in the description below to explore these awesome tablets in more detail. Number 5. Microsoft Surface Pro 8 is the epitome of versatility, seamlessly blending the power of a laptop with the flexibility of a tablet. Boasting a 13-inch touchscreen, it offers crisp visuals and an intuitive touch experience, perfect for both creative and professional tasks. This latest model is built on the Intel Evo platform, featuring an Intel Core i7 processor that delivers exceptional performance, graphics, and battery life, all within a sleek and lightweight design. With 16 GB of memory and a 256 GB SSD, it ensures swift multitasking and ample storage for your essential files and applications. Windows 11 enhances your productivity and creativity by bringing a fresh interface and tools that streamline your workflow. It integrates seamlessly with the Surface Slim Pen 2, providing the best pen experience on a Surface Pro device. The pen, with its natural feel of pen on paper, is securely stored in the Surface Pro signature keyboard, which combines a traditional laptop-like typing experience with a sleek, compact design. The keyboard features backlit keys and a full-function row, ensuring comfort during long typing sessions. Ideal for digital artists and professionals, the Surface Pro 8 supports high-performance applications like Photoshop, offering a responsive and immersive experience. For those relying on Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint are readily available, though a Microsoft 365 subscription is needed. With its high-performance specs and versatile functionality, the Microsoft Surface Pro 8 stands out as one of the best tablets for Photoshop and other demanding creative tasks. Number 4. Zenel ABS Wireless Drawing Tablet Medium with Quick Keys is a versatile and highly functional graphics tablet designed for professionals, making it a top contender for the best tablets for Photoshop. This tablet features a 10.3 inches by 5.75 inches active area with a true 16:9 aspect ratio, providing an optimal space that aligns perfectly with industry-standard displays for precision work. Its minimal, ergonomic design, which includes a curved gentle slope, enhances user comfort by reducing tension and strain during long drawing sessions. A standout feature is the Quick Keys accessory, offering 40 programmable functions across 5 sets of 8 keys, plus a physical dial with 4 settings, giving you an unmatched level of control and efficiency when customizing shortcuts for your Photoshop workflow. The OLED display on the Quick Keys helps you keep track of your assignments at a glance. This tablet comes with 2 battery-free pens, each designed for a different feel, one with a wider barrel and 3 programmable buttons, and a thinner pen for a more pencil-like experience. Both pens boast 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, 5080 LPI resolution, tilt recognition, and lag-free performance, ensuring that every stroke in Photoshop feels natural and accurate. The easy installation and intuitive driver interface make customizing the Quick Keys and other tablet functions a breeze, with user-friendly settings accessible right from the top of the tablet. Whether you're creating detailed artwork or editing photos, the Zenel ABS tablet's seamless combination of comfort, precision, and workflow optimization makes it an excellent choice for Photoshop users seeking a premium drawing experience. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE 12.4-inch 256GB Wi-Fi Android tablet is a powerful device that brings versatility, performance, and style to the forefront. With its stunning 12.4-inch display, this tablet delivers an immersive viewing experience, making it perfect for creatives and entertainment enthusiasts alike. Whether you're sketching or editing with precision in Photoshop, the large screen size offers ample workspace to fine-tune your projects. The included S Pen enhances the creative process, giving you the feeling of writing or drawing on paper. This tablet is built to multitask with ease, offering seamless device connectivity that allows you to move between your tablet, smartphone, and other Galaxy devices effortlessly. Powered by the Qualcomm SM7225 octa-core processor, the Galaxy Tab S7 FE ensures smooth and efficient performance, even when handling demanding tasks. Its 256GB storage provides plenty of room for all your files, apps, and high-resolution images, making it an ideal choice for those working on large design projects. The sleek Mystic Pink design adds a bold, modern touch, ensuring you stand out while you work. The long-lasting battery life is another standout feature, giving you the freedom to work or play for hours without interruption. With multi-window capabilities, you can open multiple apps at once, boosting your productivity, whether you're editing photos, taking notes, or watching tutorials. And with access to over 160 channels through Samsung Mobile TV Plus and a 2-month free subscription to YouTube Premium, the entertainment options are endless. This tablet combines the power and convenience needed for professionals, particularly those in design fields, making it one of the best tablets for Photoshop and other creative applications. Number 2. Huion Canvas Pro 16 2.5K QHD Drawing Tablet is a premium tool for digital artists, delivering impressive visuals and exceptional performance. Its 15.8-inch screen boasts a stunning 2560 by 1440 QHD resolution with 186 ppi pixel density, providing crystal-clear detail for intricate designs. Thanks to its quantum dot technology, this tablet showcases 16.7 million colors with 99% Adobe sRGB coverage and a high 1200:1 contrast ratio, ensuring highly accurate color reproduction, perfect for creative professionals who demand precision in photo editing, graphic design, and more. The full laminated screen minimizes parallax, allowing the pen to feel more like a traditional drawing tool by ensuring the cursor stays where expected, even at the edges. The anti-glare glass and 178 degrees wide viewing angle from the IPS panel enhance comfort and viewing quality. The included battery-free stylus, powered by Huion Pentec 3.0, provides 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, plus or minus 60 degrees tilt, and a fast response rate, making it feel natural in hand while also enhancing productivity through customizable shortcuts via the pen side buttons and 8 express keys on the display. Connectivity is seamless with the USB-C port supporting HDMI and DP signals, allowing easy pairing with Mac, PC, Android, and Linux devices using a single full-featured cable. This setup reduces cable clutter, enhancing workspace efficiency. Additionally, the tablet comes with thoughtful accessories like an adjustable stand for ergonomic comfort, a drawing glove, pen holder, and extra felt nibs for varied creative needs, making it an ideal choice for artists looking for the best tablets for Photoshop. Number 1. Apple iPad 9th generation is an excellent choice for those seeking a versatile and powerful tablet, making it a top contender for the best tablets for Photoshop. Equipped with the A13 Bionic chip, it offers impressive performance for creative tasks like photo editing, ensuring smooth operation even when running resource-intensive apps. The 10.2-inch Retina display brings vivid colors and crisp details, making it perfect for working on high-quality images. Plus, the True Tone technology automatically adjusts the display's color temperature based on your surroundings, ensuring optimal viewing comfort regardless of lighting conditions. The 64 GB of storage ensures ample space for saving projects, while fast Wi-Fi connectivity keeps you connected and productive wherever you are. The 12MP ultra-wide front camera with center stage is perfect for video conferencing or recording tutorials, while the 8MP back camera is great for capturing reference photos or scanning documents for your Photoshop projects. Security and convenience are enhanced by Touch ID, allowing you to unlock the iPad and make secure payments with just a touch. With all-day battery life, you can work, create, and play for hours without worrying about recharging. Thanks to iPad OS, multitasking is seamless, allowing you to run multiple apps simultaneously, and with support for Apple Pencil, you can sketch, edit, and annotate with precision. Whether you're using essential apps like Safari and Messages or downloading specialized Photoshop tools from the App Store, this iPad is a reliable companion for all your creative needs. The Apple iPad 9th generation delivers exceptional performance and functionality, making it an ideal device for Photoshop users. In conclusion, choosing the best tablet for Photoshop can significantly enhance your creative workflow, whether you're a professional or a hobbyist. Each of the tablets we've highlighted offers unique features to help you bring your artistic vision to life with precision and ease. We hope this guide has helped you find the perfect fit for your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to let us know which tablet you're excited about. And be sure to share this video for more updates on the latest tech and creative tools. See you in the next one.